Wednesday, November 11th, got you another leveled on 34 F-150 King Ranch. It's raining. I don't even care because this truck looks amazing. Let's check it out. 2020 Akins Ford F-150 King Ranch, a gate black over stone gray. Love that black over gold. It's a classic color, guys. This works great with the F-150 trucks, always has. 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. That hybrid tire, 34 by 11.6, leveled on 34s. We've got wheel well liners, Akins liner in the rear. Truck just looks great. This is a perfect stance. Just wanted to show you guys. It's raining, I'm going in, I'm getting soaked, but hope you like the leveled on 34 look right here at Akins. Got to get you a front shot. All right, I'm out. So I tried to shoot this twice and it rained on me both times. So here we go again, one more time. Leveled on 34s, 33.9 inch to be exact, 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, hybrid tire, #1 tire for us. 2 1/4 inch level kit from Ready Lift, little spacer, you can't see it, right on top of your strut assembly. No modifications to crash bar, no trimming whatsoever. 295 60/20, 33.9 by 11.6. It's a money setup for us. We like the 35 11.5 as well. Whatever needs or stance you're looking for, we love to help and hope these videos help you with your next build, guys. So a King Ranch, a classic, timeless, a gate black over stone gray bottom, that white over gold or your black over gold. Either one of those to me are just a timeless vintage color that Ford has just done a great job with, especially on these King Ranch package or a Lariat, etc. It just works time and time again. And this stance here, you're not breaking the bank, but you're leveled and you got a more substantial tire size to accommodate that look and confidence level that you're looking for in your next vehicle. This is a 2020. We did wheel well liners in the rear just to clean that rear end up, and then Akins liner in the back, Speedo cowl, and bam, she's ready to roll, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now available for sale. It is the 11th of November, so come scoop this one up. It's ready to ride. Thanks so much.